Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on shift lock mode for speed escape for Brainrots. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to turn on shift lock mode, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So what you have to first do is you have to go ahead and make your way over to settings, and you want to make sure that the shift lock switch is set by, well, it should be set by the developer. So you can't actually manually turn it on or off, but which is actually good, because if you just click on the left shift lock key, then shift lock clock will turn on. So you guys can go ahead and turn on shift lock mode. And what you can also do is, you can also use the right shift lock as well on your keyboard. If for some reason the left shift lock doesn't work, and then you can try doing that, and then that should also turn on shift lock mode. Now once you guys do that, you guys should be pretty much it. Alt or control does not work, it is only the shift key. So yeah, either or, the left or the right. So yeah, that should be pretty much it. That is it for the video. That is how to turn on shift lock mode. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.